But in that remarkably short period of time, between the 1940s and now, we have been transformed into totally different creatures with an entirely new set of aspirations that are supposed to fill the gap in our lives. The gap left by the collapse of community, the gap left by our alienation from the living world, the gap left by our self-forgetfulness, our alienation from ourselves. This alienation comes partly through our consumerist approach to everything. Consumerism is the invisible ideology that surrounds and defines our lives.